You know, that sounded like we will rock it. Everybody start, clap, start, clap.
And good morning. Beautiful sea day today. Oh, just having a good morning. Woke up, slept 8 hours. So excited. So we're just going to be taking that today on sea day. Just relaxing day. It's going to be very chill. I don't know what's happening. I think I may go check out the shops a little bit more. I probably need to put myself together. But go check out the shops. Go hang out. Our friends are already up. They already had breakfast. Our grandma on the go. She's not on the go. She's sleeping. She's having a restful morning. So, but it's sea day and we're on vacation. So you can do whatever you want. Right below us is the Havana area. Yeah, this private pool. We haven't seen a whole lot of people down there. Maybe today. Alright, good morning. It is me on my own. You've seen me many times. I'm going to go to sea day brunch, but man, the wait is like 45 minutes. But I really do want my cranberry juice, so hey. So, off to the aft. Oh, I figured while I wait, there's like so much music going on, but I figured while I wait, I would just maybe explore this deck. I'm on deck 6 and be able to check out, you know, kind of show a little bit what is here. And of course, Emerald's is just outside the festival restaurant, and then also the bar area that has like all the world drinks and everything. So anyway, it's not, I don't think it's open right now. I don't see anybody in there, but it's a very nice place to just relax and wait for if you're waiting to get in for your table. And got a nice little seat here. The windows are a little dirty, but just enjoying the view. It's going to be a great sea day. Punchliner Comedy Club. Woo woo! Oh, it's here. Look at that. 18 and over, of course, because that's how we roll. Not on here, but on the ship. And so, have our wine, and then we're gonna go have dinner. And then we're gonna go have dinner at Cucina del Capitano. Of course, it's elegant night, and I am in a t-shirt and jeans. That's it. I'm becoming more like Letty every day. Very relaxed.
Yeah.
We're very
on
relaxed.
Vacation.
On
you
vacation.
Don't have to dress up.
No.
I'm chilling.
So we're kind of excited to be able to go, and I want the meatball again because that's what I had last night. Last night? Yeah. Want a meatball and the arancini, and then you want lobster.
Yes. I want
Lobster.
and what's that called? That
Oh,
salad?
Capri salad.
Yeah,
So
Capri
it's
salad.
Capri salad.
Lobster.
Yeah. All right. So can't record this, so bye-bye.
No. Anyone around, including myself and the restaurant hostess the front, is ready to take into consideration your request. For you, probably one of the most beautiful Italian songs. Please join us in singing That's Amore. Maestro musica, please.
You know, that sounded like we will